Next chapter, TestNG. What is TestNG? See, chapter TestNG. NG stands for next generation. TestNG introduction and create test cases and create test cases using TestNG. Observe points. First one, in Selenium using Java, there are two automation frameworks available. See, in Selenium using Java programming, there are two frameworks, two automation frameworks available. First one, JUnit. Next, latest one, TestNG. TestNG. See, in our training program, we will discuss TestNG. See, JUnit also similar. That is old one. It is advanced one. TestNG introduction. TestNG introduction. See, we can use any one of those frameworks in our test automation, but TestNG is advanced, more powerful than JUnit. See, TestNG is more powerful than JUnit framework. What is TestNG? What is TestNG? It is an open source. It is an open source. See, TestNG is an open source. See, now we are using all open source software. Java open source, WebDriver open source, TestNG open source, JUnit also open source. TestNG is an open source test automation framework where NG stands for Kamal, where NG stands for
next generation.
Next generation. See, next generation. Next, TestNG inspired from JUnit but introduced some new functionality. See, TestNG inspired from JUnit but introduced some new functionality. introduced some new functionality. Next, what are the advantages? See, benefits of TestNG framework, automation framework, test automation framework. Benefits of, have any idea, Sridevi? Benefits of TestNG. Observe, in WebDriver, no report generation facility na. It shows login console, but no HTML like reports na. Any idea, Kamal? Benefits of TestNG?
No, sir. Sorry.
Okay, cool, no problem. Aarti,
As you mentioned, maybe it's faster in execution.
I didn't mention.
Okay. Sorry then.
Suppose in our test automation we are using Java programming. What is the purpose of Java programming in Selenium? To enhance tests, isn't it? What is the purpose of WebDriver? What is the purpose of WebDriver? To automate tests. See, WebDriver identifies, WebDriver recognizes elements, and WebDriver is providing commands or methods to perform on elements. See, WebDriver for recognizing elements and performing operations on elements. Java for enhancing test cases. Next, TestNG. See, it generates HTML, put mute, test reports. HTML test reports. Next, annotations. See, in TestNG we use annotations. Annotations are easy to create test cases. See, TestNG annotations are easy to create test cases. Next, test cases can be grouped and prioritized more easily. See, test cases can be grouped, batch testing, grouped and prioritized. More easily. Next advantage, parallel testing is possible. Parallel testing is possible. Next, parameterization is possible. Parameterizing tests. See, these are the important benefits of TestNG. Tell me, Kamal, benefits of TestNG?
It generates HTML test reports. TestNG annotations are easy to create test cases. Test cases can be grouped and prioritized more easily. parallel testing is possible,
Hmm.
and parameterization is possible.
Parameterization is possible. Okay. See, using TestNG, we can automate test cases and generate test reports using HTML format. See, using TestNG, we can create test cases and execute test cases, and generate reports using HTML format. HTML format. See, we need to install that TestNG framework. See, before install, I will explain manual test case and try to automate. See, manual test case. See, test case format varies from one company to another. I'm using small format, simple format. You can use lengthy format also. See, test case ID, any unique name. Test case name. Next, test steps. Next, actual, first expected. Expected, actual. Next, status. Say you can use precondition precondition of test case, precondition, post condition also, but I am using simple format. Suppose test case ID TC001. Test case name, verify title of the page, verify title of the page. Next, test steps. First step, launch the browser. Next, navigate to for example gmail.com. Next, check the page title. Check the page title. Okay. You tell me, Sridevi, this is manual test case. Provide the WebDriver steps. Suppose launch browser. How to launch browser?
Using WebDriver object.
WebDriver driver
equal to new Firefox driver.
new Firefox driver. Okay. Next, navigate to Gmail home.
Get, using get.
Driver
Driver dot
dot
get.
get of URL. Suppose
www.
HTTP www.gmail.com. Okay. Next, if you want to check the page title, first you need to capture that value. String, for example, string actual equal to driver dot get title.
Find.
Okay. Next, earlier we used Java verification points if a condition, like here we have to use asset class from TestNG framework. Asset dot asset dot asset equals of, just a minute, of actual comma suppose our expected Gmail. Okay. Next, create the script as a method. See, @test. It is annotation. See, in TestNG we use annotations only. See, every test is method. Every test is method. See, public void. If we use test annotation @symbol, test annotation, then the method is test. See, public void, suppose verify title, any meaningful name you can write. See, first browser launch. Next, navigate to Gmail home. Next, capture actual value. Okay. And one more thing, main method. Generally in Java program, we used main method. From main method only, Java program starts execution. We use main method in Java program. But in TestNG test, no main method. Main method is not required for TestNG programs. See, main method is not required for TestNG programs. Then the methods are not going, then how it executes? TestNG programs contains only methods. See, TestNG programs contains only methods that contain @test annotations. See, if you don't mention @test annotation, then the methods are not going to be executed. See, if you don't write @test annotation, then the methods are not going to be executed. Observe these 3 points. Tell me, Arti. 3 points we discussed. Note.
Okay, main method is not required for test engine programs. Testing programs contains only method that contain test annotations.
At the rate of test annotation.
If don't write @test annotation, then the method are not executable.
Okay. The methods are not going to be executed. Next, launch Eclipse editor. Suppose create a new Java project. Suppose TestNG project. Next, create package. For example, Selenium tests. Selenium tests. Okay. Next, create class. Okay, before creating class, install. See, observe. Install TestNG. Install TestNG. Observe the navigation. Go to help menu. Help menu. Just a minute. Help. Install new software. Here enter site name. Site name. See. HTTP. You need to remember this one. beust.com/eclipse. Just a minute. First, add. See once again, help menu, install new software, click add, enter name. What is name? Suppose TestNG, enter location. Okay. Observe Aarti, this TestNG selected na? Observe. Did you observe this one? Sridevi.
Yes, sir. It got selected. TestNG.
In this name pane, TestNG available, we have to select. Before that, see once again. Guide me, Sridevi. Tell me the navigation. Installing TestNG framework.
Help.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Same time, write the navigation. Installing in Eclipse. Okay, na? Where we
Yes,
need
sir.
to
In
install?
Eclipse.
In Eclipse IDE. In Eclipse IDE. Just a minute. Help
Click on
menu.
help.
Help menu. Select help menu. Next,
New software installation.
install
Install new software.
new software. Install new software. Arrow. Just a minute. Help menu. Install new software. Click add. Just a minute. Click add. Next, click add. Next, enter name as TestNG. Now observe Sridevi. No TestNG in name pane na.
Yes.
There is here. Observe. There is no site selected. Observe here. Name pane. No site selected na.
Yes,
See,
sir.
click add. Enter name as. See. Enter name as TestNG. TestNG. Next, enter URL as, you need to remember this one. Next, see up to this one. TestNG, enter URL. Next, click OK. Now TestNG. Select TestNG. Just a minute. Select TestNG. Next, click next. Click next. Again next. Just a minute. Next. 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 Accept. Accept the agreement. I think finish. Accept the agreement and finish. See, installing software. Okay. See, restart Eclipse. Now create a class. Just a minute. TestNG project. We added that WebDriver also now. Just a minute. Build path not required. We created one package also now. Where is that package? Right click. New package. Oh, now tests also available. Okay, Selenium tests. Here add that WebDriver jars. Right click, build path, configure build path, libraries, add external jars. See, this is WebDriver. Observe Kamal, in WebDriver jars, TestNG jar also there na?
Yes, sir.
See this one. Can you observe this one? Mouse pointer.
Yes, sir.
TestNG
Yeah.
6.8.5.
Yes.
Okay. Now ready. Environment ready. Okay na Sridevi. Or this one TestNG installation. Now say create class, new class. Suppose class name sample test. Finish. Okay. Now paste that code. We prepared one test case in our notepad na. Test annotation. Import problems. Import problems. Say.
Sir, I think www dot, don't you need their forward slash?
Okay. We'll check that one.
HTTP.
If any error is there, we will correct it. Suppose first test, import test. See second one. org.testng annotations. Next WebDriver interface. Import WebDriver. Next Firefox driver. Import Firefox driver. Next asset is class. See import asset. org.testng. Okay. Now try to run. How to run? See what is the test name? Sample test.java. See right click, run as. Observe Kamal, run as. See once again. First select the Java program.
TestNG.
Select the Java program and right click. Run as TestNG test.
TestNG test.
If you don't install TestNG, it won't show. Okay. See, running. Oh, address problem. Single. What you told, Aarti?
Maybe forward slash and the one extra T looks like HTTP.
Oh, yes. Just a minute. Just copy that one. gmail.com. HTTP. Now run. Select select Java program and right click. Run as TestNG test.
Sir, two slashes.
Two. Okay, just a minute. Okay, executed. Executed now. Observe the log. Total test runs 1, failures 0, skips 0. Okay, just a minute. See, select the TestNG project and refresh. Observe left side pane, Aarti. What happened after refresh? Test output folder open, created now.
Yeah, test output is there. Yeah.
Here, observe index HTML. Say HTML report, show. Next, emailable report. Say, you can copy this one. Emailable report. Just a minute. Select and right click. Copy. Say, you can attach this emailable report attached to email. Say, observe. Where is that one? Observe on desktop, Kamal. See, we can copy that HTML emailable report. One is index HTML. What is that one? One is index HTML. Next, emailable report. You can copy that one and attach in email. Observe. Generating HTML report now. Hello. Sridevi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. See, this is simple one. Just a minute. See, in this test, in this program, we used only single test. Suppose multiple tests.
Sir, over here only one slash.
Just a minute. TestNG test case example. Ask me, Kamal, what is the problem?
Sir, HTTP, you put only one slash, one forward slash.
One enough.
Okay.
Suppose you put 2 slashes. Run as run as TestNG program. Executing, you can use 2 also, Kamal.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
welcome. See, this is HTML report. This is emailable report. Okay, next, multiple cases. See, just a minute. Create multiple test cases. See, here I am taking some dummy tests. You can use real tests also. See here, syntax important. I'm going to use some dummy tests. Concentrate. Say, public void, suppose test A, test A, public void test A. See some dummy tests. Assert dot assert equals assert equals suppose Google. Dummy tests. You can use real tests, no problem. Okay, this is one test. Test A, test C, names, any names, test B. Next, Yahoo, Yahoo. Observe, Arti, we used, if we use @test annotation, then that method is test. How many tests are there in this program? How many tests? Three. What are the names of tests?
Google, sorry, test A, test B, test C.
Test A, observe the sequence. Test A,
Then C, then test B.
test B. How it executes? Say it executes test cases in alphabetical order. Observe. Say test TestNG test cases can be executed in alphabetical order. Okay. If you want to control, control the test execution, then use attributes, priority attributes. What is the alphabetical order? Observe, Kamal. See here, sequence is first test A, next test C, next test B. What is the alphabetical order?
Test A, test B, then test C.
Test C. Just run. See, select the Java program and right click. Run as TestNG test. Okay. Observe. Total test runs 3, failures 1. See, observe. See, intentionally I used incorrect this one. Second case, C case, test C. Okay. See, test runs 3, failures 1. Just observe the execution. Observe the sequence, Sridevi.
Yes, sir.
First test A, next test B, last test C na.
Yes.
Okay. This is a sequence, alphabetical order. First two passed, last one failed. Next, just refresh. Just a minute. Select this project and press F1. Index. Emailable. Just a minute. Here observe. C failed. A B passed. Test A, test B passed. Emailable report. Okay. Suppose I want to control the test execution. I want to control the test execution. Just a minute. Suppose my tests are, just a minute. First, I will copy this one. This is one example. Alphabetical order. Next, I want to control the test execution process. Suppose first test login. Just a minute. Dummy tests login. Successful. Next, second test search operation. Search operation. Next, last test, suppose log out. Suppose log out successful. Observe Aarti. First I want to log in. Next, after login, search next at end log out. See, I have three test cases. First login test, next search test case, last one logout test case. If I execute like this, what will happen? What is the alphabetical order?
That the login comes, then the
Login
logout
first,
comes,
logout second,
and
third,
then search would be last.
last. Here no meaning of search na. After logout no search na.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, here I used dummy tests, but in real time scenario, first login, then search, last logout. But alphabetical order is login, logout, search. Try to execute this one. See, run as TestNG program. Observe. First login, next logout, last one search. But I want first login, next search, next last logout. Use priority process. Use priority. See, it is one attribute of priority is attribute of test annotation. Say priority equal to 1. Priority equal to 1. You can use negative numbers also. First it executes lowest value. Suppose -1, 1, 2. Which one is first? Suppose three test cases, -1, 1, 2. Which one execute first? Sridevi, which one execute first? First?
Yes,
Suppose
sir, for priority equal to 1.
1. No. 1 is lowest or -1 is lowest?
Oh, -1.
You can use negative numbers also, but generally we use
Okay.
positive numbers. You can use negative numbers also. Which one is lowest? That will be executed first. Suppose -1, 1, 2, three test cases. Which one is first? -1. See, okay.
-1.
Then 1, last 2. Okay. Test priority equal to 2. Next, priority equal to 3. Run. Okay. Observe. Now observe the sequence, Arti. Observe the sequence.
Yes, sir. Login successful, then search, then the logout.
Log out. This is priority process. Okay. Suppose if I use same priority, suppose test first login test 1, next search also 1. Then
Login goes first.
login. See, if same priority is there, then it takes alphabetical. In between login and search. Login first, then priority in between search and logouts. Here 1, here 3. See, same. Login, search, logout. See. Observe Kamal. If priority value is same, then what will happen?
It runs alphabetically.
It runs alphabetical default, the default priority. Okay, don't
Yeah.
use duplicate. But if you use duplicate, Again it takes alphabetical. See, this is priority. This is one attribute of test annotation. Test annotation. Next, one more attribute. One more attribute. You can use description. It is optional. Description equal to example verify login. You can write any meaningful description for this test case. Next, one more attribute. Suppose I don't want to execute all test cases. I want to execute second and third cases only. See, enabled equal to false. Enabled equal to false. Now, how many cases will be executed, Sridevi? How many cases will be executed?
One is false, so remaining.
Remaining 2. Observe. Run as TestNG test. Skip is different. It is not skip, not executed. Skip another scenario that I will show. See, observe. Total test run. Total tests run. Total tests run 2. Observe Aarti. Only search and logout executed na? Why?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yes,
We
sir.
used enabled false
Because we
for
said for the login, enable false
false.
login.
See, this is the way to just a minute. See, observe at the rate.
Sir, TestNG takes
Pardon?
sir, comment.
Pardon?
We can put comment in there
Where?
in the test case.
Yes, we can write comments. Yes. Wherever required, you can write comment. See, we are using anyhow Java support also there na? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you
sir.
can write comment. You can use all
Okay.
Java programming features with the TestNG.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Say, now we have all three that software support. What are the 3? Observe. Earlier we used WebDriver also na?
Yes, sir.
And this time I am not using. In first program I used Selenium WebDriver also na?
Yes, sir.
Firefox driver. Okay. Next, the statement. This system.out.println. The statement belongs to Java na? Next, this TestNG belongs to @test belongs to TestNG. Next, priority attribute belongs to TestNG. Enabled attribute belongs to TestNG. Observe Sridevi. In this program, we are using all 3 software support. What are the 3?
So Java,
WebDriver. See, in this test, I didn't use any WebDriver command, but in first test we used WebDriver na. See, observe in the first one.
Yes.
Observe in this one. Just a minute. I think we didn't save that one. Just a minute. You observe this selected one. This is TestNG test. in this we used WebDriver also na. These methods belongs to WebDriver
Yes,
na.
sir.
Driver dot get.
Yes.
Next observe the string. String belongs to Java na. Next driver dot get title belongs to WebDriver na. Next this @test belongs to
TestNG.
TestNG. Okay, Kamal, got the point, Kamal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In our TestNG tests, we use WebDriver methods, Java programming concepts, and TestNG annotations and their attributes. See, just a minute. See, in TestNG, you can write comments also. If required, you can write. It supports Java syntax. See, suppose, see, you can write any comment. It supports Java syntax. Supports Java syntax. See, in TestNG test, we use Java programming features, comma, WebDriver methods, and TestNG annotations. Annotations have some attributes also. Okay na, Kamal, conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, come to this one. We used one annotation. Total 10 annotations are there. First, we used @test. Observe @symbol test. It is TestNG annotation. Next, priority. Suppose @test of priority equal to some value. What is this one? Test method execution priority. Test method execution priority. Next, @test description. Description equal to something. What is this one? Description of the test case. Description. Description of the test case. Next, @test. One more attribute, enable. You can attribute multiple attributes in one test annotation by separating with commas. Observe here for first test annotation. Observe Arti. For first test annotation, I used 3 attributes na using comma. enabled equal to false. What is this annotation? What is this attribute? What is this attribute, Sridevi?
Sir, to not
Ignores,
run the, yeah, ignores the,
ignores the test case. Okay. Next, one more attribute also there. That is, I will explain that one. Before that, syntax. After this example, we will take break. Test of, say, instead of priority, you can use depends on methods. Depends on methods. Depends on methods equal to square bracket method name. Method name. Uh, what is the purpose? What is the purpose? Say, suppose we have 10 test cases. We used priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, it is not correct way. Sometimes dependencies are there that we need to follow. See, instead of priority, yes, you can use priority attribute, or instead of priority, you can use depends on method. It is more understandable. Observe, depends on method. See, suppose for our this one, remove this one. Second test. Depends on methods equal to square bracket login login. Next, see for this last one.
Sir, do we need a semicolon after the login bracket?
Not required. See, that is
So is the
annotation.
curly brace?
Annotation na. Just a minute. Not required. Observe this syntax, Sridevi. First login, we didn't give any priority, alphabetical order,
yes, sir.
login only. Next for search, what is the condition here? Attribute.
Login should be executed. Depends
Yes.
on method.
Depends on method login. Means first login. First login, then search. Next for logout. For logout depends on search. For search depends on login. Then what is the sequence? Login, search, logout. Isn't it? Just a minute. Run. Run. Right click. Observe. Login, search, logout na. Say, suppose one small problem is there if you use priority numbers. Suppose first you added 50 test cases. 1, 2, priority 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50. Now I am going to add 4 test cases to that 50 test cases suit. Those 4 cases not 51, 52, 53, 54. One is in 23rd position, another is 25th position, another is 37th position, like that. That time we have to change numbers for remaining cases also now. If we use depends on methods, it can be easy now. Got the point, Kamal? Understand the concept?
Yes, sir.
Sridevi,
If the depends on method is used,
see, it is very useful for adding and removing test cases from test suite now. Got the point? Got the point? Sridevi, try to understand. Try to understand, Sridevi. See,
Yes, sir, I got it.
priority versus see, priority versus depends on methods. Suppose I have 10 test cases. See, initial test cases 10. I gave as priority 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose now I am going to add one more test case. That is not 11th position. That is 6th position. Then we need to change the remaining test cases priorities also now. If we use numbers. Suppose if we use depends on methods, just a simple modification now. Hello? Getting or not, Sridevi?
Yes, sir, got it. It's clear. Yes, sir, got it.
Which one is easy to add and remove test cases from test suite?
Depends on method.
Depends on methods. Okay, you can use priority also. Depends on your scenario, you can use. See, you take that one also. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose first this one. Second one, search operation. Asset dot asset equals suppose ABC XYZ. ABC XYZ. Definitely it will fail. Observe. How many cases executed, Aarti? How many cases executed? Sridevi?
Two test cases.
Why third case? See, observe that log out skips one. Failures one skips one. Why? Observe login passed, then search executed. Search failed, then no continuation. Due to search fail, it not executed that log out, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you want to execute it anyway, use one more attribute. Always run equal to true. See, suppose if dependent case fails also, it will execute. Anyway, it will execute. See, run. Observe, this time skips 0. Observe, Kamal, all 3 executed na, but failed, search failed, passed cases first one and third one, failed last one. 3 in this scenario,
Yes, sir.
3 executed, no skips.
Yes.
Observe here one small problem, small note. Just a minute. Take this example. Here note. Here dependency, 2 types. Say dependency 2 types. Hard dependency. Next, soft dependency. Observe. Suppose hard dependency at the rate test of depends on vocap methods mcap capital letter equal to within square bracket double quotes, suppose search. This is hard dependency. Why? Suppose if search fails, then next test method won't be executed. This is hard dependency. Next, soft dependency. See, even though search test method fails, it continues execution. How? Just a minute. After square brackets, use comma. Always run equal to true. See, this is about hard and soft dependencies. Okay, now Arti, hard dependency and soft dependency, what is the difference? Try to identify the difference. If it is hard dependency, what will happen?
It doesn't always run, whereas a soft dependency, it always runs equal to
It
true.
always runs even though dependence method fails. Okay. Say, you take 10 minutes break. After the break, we will say TestNG Annotations. TestNG Annotations. So far we discussed one important annotation called at the rate test. So I'm going to introduce two more test annotations at the rate. Okay, before that I will give one scenario. Suppose in my project 3 test cases. One is search operation. Next, advanced search. Next, by products. Search, advanced search, by products. For all these three test cases, precondition is login. I want to create independent test cases, end-to-end scenarios. Every test case is end-to-end scenario. Precondition is login. Post condition is logout. Login, logout for every test case. See, precondition for every test case. This logout is post condition for every test case. Then what is the execution process? Login, search, logout, login, advanced search, logout, login, by products, logout. Okay na Kamal?
Yes, sir.
See, all are independent test cases, end-to-end scenarios. What is the execution flow? Execution flow. Say these three are not in alphabetical order, but I want to execute search first, advanced search second, by products third. I can give priorities, but for every test, precondition one test, post condition one test. Execution flow. Tell me, Aarti, flow of the execution.
First of all, we're gonna have a login.
First login, next search,
Then search and then log out.
log out.
That's for the first case.
Next
then
again,
same login, advanced
same
search,
login,
and then log out.
login, advanced search,
And log out. And the third one is a login, by product, and then log out.
Good. By products, one or more, then log out. This is my requirement. See, earlier, no dependency, no precondition, post condition, but in real time scenario, sometimes we use precondition and post condition for every test. Say, this is the flow. Create a new, right click, new class, class name, sample2. Okay. See, just a minute. See, first login, next log out, next search. Suppose the dummy test cases, search successful, What is the problem? Asset not required. SYSO control space. It is Java step. Next, third one. Okay, log out one. Before log out, one more case. Two more cases. Search advanced search advanced search successful. Next, by products successful. See for every case I have login precondition, log out post condition. Okay. First one, observe Kamal, this login is before method annotation import. Next, this logout is after A capital method M capital. Import TestNG annotations. Okay. Observe Sridevi. Before method, after method. Before method is login, after method is logout. But remaining three main test cases not in order. Suppose first search, not in alphabetical order. I want search first, advanced search second, byproducts third. If it is alphabetical order, advanced search first, byproduct second, search last. How to execute in desired manner?
Sir, in advanced search depends on search.
Otherwise, you can give priority also, na?
Yes.
Otherwise, use that one. Search, okay. Advanced search. Depends on methods equal to within square brackets search close square brackets double quotes. Next, for this byproducts depends on method advanced search. Okay. Okay na? Kamal?
Yes, sir.
Run. Just a minute. Run as TestNG test. What is the error? Try to look at the problem. Say this first one is before method. Okay. Next, test after method log out by products. Try to look at the problem, Sridevi. Just a minute, use priorities. Priority equal to 1. Priority equal to 1 for advanced search. For search, priority equal to 2. For byproducts, priority equal to 3. Run. What is the problem? Sample 2 problem. Selenium tests. Library is there. There is a problem, no error showing. Oh, Observarthi, what is the problem?
Extra curly brackets?
Extra curly braces. See, run. Okay, total test runs 3. Observe Kamal. First, login, advanced search, log out. Next, login, search, log out. Next, login, log out, login, byproducts, log out. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See here 3 main cases only, but remaining 2 cases, one is precondition, another is post condition, isn't it? See earlier syntax error, you can use depends on method also. Sridevi, any confusion?
No, sir.
See, in this test we used 2 more annotations, before method, after method, for precondition and post conditions. Okay. Next, 2 more annotations. Suppose my scenario, earlier scenario like this. See, I'm taking same scenario. See, for my test suite, for my group of tests, login is precondition, post condition is log out only, but I don't want to use pre and post conditions for every individual test case. First, login, then execute search, execute search and advanced search, then byproducts. Just a minute. Here advanced search, here advanced search priority 1, 2. Search 1. Okay, you can use any priority. This is 3. Run. See, first search, login, search, log out, Next, login advanced search logout. Next, login by products logout. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Observe Aarti. See in the previous example, for every test case, pre-condition one test and post-condition one test. But my requirement is different. Say first login, then search, advanced search by products. I no need to log in for every test and log out for every test. Got the point? Tell me the execution flow in the second scenario.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Execution flow. First
Login.
login.
Then search.
Search.
Then advanced search.
Yes. Advanced search.
Then the buy products and then log out.
Good. Say for entire suit, only one pre-condition and one post-condition. In previous example, for every test case, pre-condition and post-condition. Okay. Next, by products. By products. Next, log out. Understand this flow, Sridevi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to introduce two more TestNG annotations. Two more TestNG annotations at the rate before class for entire class. Earlier before method for every test method. After method for every test method. Here before class for entire program. Next, after class for entire program. Okay. Say before class, import that one TestNG, import before class annotation. Next, after class, import after class. Okay. Next, run. Okay. Observe Kamal. Login, search, advanced search, by products, log out. See common precondition for all test cases and common post condition. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See what is the difference between before method annotation and before class annotation? Before method annotation, method level, test case level. Before class annotation for entire program. Okay na? See example. Next, one more topic in this chapter. So far we executed only single programs. I want to execute multiple Java programs. Multiple programs at a time. At a time means continuation. Suppose I have 4 programs, 4 Java programs. How to execute? I want to execute all, one by one only. But I want to execute all at a time. At a time means continuous execution. See, for that you can use XML file. See, topic is executing multiple programs using XML file. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. In difference is there in between HTML and XML. In HTML, predefined tags. In XML, we can define our own tags. Here I will explain this XML format for executing multiple programs. Multiple not mandatory. You can use single also. One or more programs. One or more programs at a time. See, you can create XML file in Eclipse. First, I will introduce the tags. First tag, suit tag. Suit tag. Suit name. Suit name equal to suppose e-commerce suit. Any meaningful name you can use. E-commerce suit. Close. Next, this is starting tag. End tag, say / suit. Closing tag. Open tag, close tag. Suit tag. Next, test name, type of tests, functional tests, etc. Test name, test tag, name equal to suppose user tests, close. Next, end tag, closing tag, / this is XML syntax. Not only XML, in HTML also open tag, close tag, test. Next tag, classes, open tag. Next, close tag, close tag. Okay. In between these class tags, you can enter number of class names. See, class tag, class name, equal to within double quotes package dot package name, class name. Class name means that Java program name. Close. Next, suppose multiple, you can enter number of classes. Class 1 name, class 2 name, like this. Understand this XML. Tell me, Kamal, what are the tags available in this XML file?
Suit tags,
Hmm.
then test name, then
name value, suit
name
tag,
value,
test tag,
and
suit tag, test tag, classes tag,
yeah, and then class
tag,
class tag, yeah,
name,
class tag,
name is a value.
and also the attributes.
4 tags. What are the 4 tags? Aarti, 4 tags in XML file for executing one or more tests, TestNG test cases. Sridevi, what are the 4 tags?
Sir, before class, after class.
What I am asking? What are the tag names for XML? What are the tag names in XML file for executing multiple programs? What are the tag names in XML file for executing multiple programs? Suit tag, concentrate. Suit tag, test tag, classes tag, class tag. See, observe. Name attributes. See, suit tag, next open tag, close tag, that is considered as single tag. For every tag, open required, this is open. Next, close required, this is close. Test tag, next classes tag, next low level class tag. Any confusion, Sridevi?
No, sir.
Okay, next create XML in Eclipse. Create, see, understanding purpose, I explained that XML tags, but you no need to remember. In Eclipse, you can create automatically. You can create, user interaction required. Say create XML file in Eclipse. See, first.
So class tag doesn't need to be closed.
See, close is there now. This is sub-subchild tag.
But forward slash is not there.
Okay, we will check that syntax. In single line we use it now. Okay, we'll check that syntax. Observe the navigation. Create XML file. First, select Java project. Select Java project. Select Java project. Next. Okay, and right click. Select Java project. Right click. Next, new. Next, other. Next, new other. Enter TestNG and select TestNG class. Enter TestNG and select TestNG class. Next, enter source and package, source src folder, enter source and package names. Next, enter XML file name as testng.xml. You can use abcd.xml also, but this is standard. Enter XML file name as testng.xml. See, this is the navigation. This is the navigation. Observe. First, select Java project and right click. Continue. Kamal. Right click. Next.
Right click.
New.
Then new.
New.
Then
Other.
Yeah.
Here type TestNG. TestNG.
Yeah.
It is, here select TestNG class. Here source folder. What is the source folder? src folder. Where is that src?
3 step down, sir.
Pardon? Just a minute.
Yeah, on browse you can see src code.
This one src is there. Okay, just a minute. Right click, project, right click, new, other, type testng class, browse. Where is that one?
After bin.
src, good. src, select src. Okay. Next, package name. What is the package name? Selenium tests. Selenium tests. Class name, suppose sample3. XML file name, testng.xml. Finish. Open this XML. Source. See, parallel execution false, it is optional. Okay. You asked na Kamal after
yes, sir.
that bracket type, that
slash is there.
Slash is there.
Yeah.
What slash? Forward slash. Okay. See, same generated na. Suppose I want to execute multiple programs. Sample 2 also. Sample 2 also. Okay. Observe just a minute. Sample 1. Okay. Sample 2. I want sample 2 first. Then sample 3. Sample 2. Sample 3. Okay. Next sample 3. Select sample 3. Suppose ABC. Just a minute. control space, suppose ABCD. Hello, can you hear me, Kamal? Hello? Kamal, say TestNG part 2, TestNG part 2. See topics, executing multiple classes, multiple programs using XML file. Say up to now executed single program at a time. We can execute multiple programs at a time using XML file. See, create XML file. First launch Eclipse editor, Eclipse IDE, save. Create XML file. Can you tell me the navigation, Aarti, how to create XML file?
I think right click.
Right click.
Import, I believe.
Import, no.
No, build. I don't remember, sir. Sorry.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, test engine. It says test engine at all the way down.
No.
No. Okay.
See. Okay.
Okay.
New other. Here type TestNG. TestNG. Select TestNG class. Next. Here enter test name. Suppose ABCD1 XML file name. Suppose multiple classes dot XML. Finish. See here one XML file. You can enter one more also. You create one more XML, one more Java class. One more Java class. Just a minute. New class ABCD2. ABCD2. Just open that file. ABCD XML. ABCD XML. What is the class name? Just a minute. Multiple classes XML. You copy this one. ABCD2. Two classes. Just save. Next, select ABCD1 first class. Create. See, test public void suppose login, see dummy tests, login successful. Next, log out. Log out successful. Next, fund transfer. Next, prepaid recharge. Next, suppose any network issue is there, you check your email. Again, we will send a new meeting. If any network issue is there, you check your email. Otherwise, no issue. Next, bill payments. Muhammad Kamal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Same. Bill payments successful. Prepaid recharge. Fund transfer. Okay. See, first one, before test. Import that one. Import before test annotation. Next, last, second one, log out. Just a minute. Log out before class or before method. Next, login. Sorry. This is after method. Log out after method. This login is before method. Before method. Observe, Kamal, how many tests are there in this class?
4, sir.
5.
5.
5.
3. 3 tests. Observe. Fund transfer, prepaid recharge, bill payments. 3 tests. This login is before method. For before, it is for precondition for every test. Before every test. Next, after method, after every test. See, log in before every test, log out after every test. Remaining 3 tests. Any confusion, Aarti? Any confusion?
No, I got it, sir, now. Thank you.
Welcome. See, observe. Execute. Here, we didn't provide any priorities for tests. Then it will execute alphabetical order. See. Right click XML file. Run as TestNG suite. Just a minute. It is executing only once. Oh, TestNG, multiple classes XML. Just a minute, confusion. Right click, run as TestNG suite. Observe Kamal. Login, bill payments, log out. That is one test. Next, login, fund transfer, log out. Second test. Next, third one, login, prepaid recharge, log out. 3 tests na. For every test, before method is login, after method is log out.
Log out.
Just a minute. Suppose if I use like this, before class.
Sir, can I ask you a question? Sir, can I ask you a question? When you run it, how do we know that you ran it? It's just that log it will give you?
Pardon?
How do we know that it ran successful? We have to just check the log. It doesn't show anything else?
See, just a minute. Already I told. I used just a dummy test cases. You can use real-time cases. You can use verification point.
Okay.
You can use verification points, conditions. But here I am using dummy tests. Suppose if you want to fail scenario also, just a minute. You just use a fail scenario. Just I am using dummy tests. Suppose here fund transfer. Just a dummy tests. Just a minute. Suppose expected ABC. Actual ABCD. Run as TestNG suite. What's the problem? Just a minute. Just a minute. It is asset class is not importing properly. This is a problem. Observe. Run. Just a minute. See, just I am using dummy tests. Observe Arti failures. One test failed na?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Just I am using dummy tests in order to explain this concept. Next, observe Kamal. Suppose if I use before class annotation, before class, next after class, what will happen, Kamal? Earlier I used before method, after method, this time before class, after class. What will happen? Can you tell me, Arti?
I think it will run that other class first, and then this one.
See, earlier I used before method, after method. Means for every test, login before method, log out after method. For fund transfer, login fund transfer logout, login prepaid recharge logout, login bill payments logout. But this time I am using precondition for entire class. Only login once, logout once. First login, then fund transfer, then prepaid recharge, then bill payments, next logout. Got the point? What is the difference between previous scenario and this scenario, current scenario?
This scenario log in once and do all the work, then log out.
See, for this scenario, login precondition for all tests in this class. Logout is post condition for all tests in this class. The previous example, for every test, once login and logout. Login, test, logout. Login, test 2, logout. Login, test 3, logout. But this time class level, only once. Observe. run as TestNG suite. Observe Aarti, login, bill payments, fund transfer, prepaid recharge, log
Yes.
out. Okay na? Login
Yeah.
once.
Yeah, got it.
3 tests. For all 3 tests, same precondition. Next, log out. Suppose I want all our end-to-end scenarios. No dependency. All are end-to-end scenarios. For every test, log in and log out. That time use before method. Next, after method. See, all are independent tests. Run. Observe. Log in bill payments, log out. Next, log in fund transfer, log out. Next, log in prepaid, log out. For every test, log in, log out, pre and post conditions. Suppose if we use class only once, for all test cases, single precondition, single post condition. Run. Observe Kamal. Login. Next, bill payments, fund transfer, prepaid, log out. Okay na? Find the difference between before method and before class, after method and after class.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Ask me. Hello?
Yes, sir. No, it's okay.
Tell me, you are in confusion, I think. Aarti, what about you?
Yes, I got it, sir. Thank you.
Any confusion? Tell me, Kamal.
It's okay, sir. Thank you.
See. Next, I want priorities also. See, it is executing as per alphabetical order. First bill payments, next fund transfer, next prepaid recharge. I want fund transfer first. I want fund transfer first after precondition. Tell me, Aarti. Attribute priority equal to
Priority equal to 1, I believe. Yeah.
Just a minute. Not here. Test. What is the problem?
Maybe semicolon at the end.
No. Just a minute. Test priority. Just a minute. Priority. If any small syntax error is there, it won't execute. 1. Next, priority. Suppose 3. But as per alphabetical order, bill payments first, but I want bill payment second. Run. Observe. Login precondition, class level, before class, next fund transfer, bill payments, prepaid recharge. Next take another class, second class. Say second class. You create second class. Say public void login. Suppose login successful. Next log out. Log out successful. Next search. Next advanced search. Say first search first, but as per alphabetical order, advanced search first. But I want search first, then advanced search. We can use priority. See @test of priority equal to 1. Import. Next @test priority. Observe Arti. Don't use a semicolon for annotation statement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it now.
Okay, cool. Now, observe Kamal. Here, how many? Just a minute. Suppose this is before method. Next, logout is after method. Observe Kamal, how many tests are there in this second class?
Two
tests.
Two tests, sir.
For every test, what is the precondition?
Precondition is login.
Login is before method. After method is logout.
Logout.
See, what is the execution flow? Login, search, logout, login, advanced search, logout. Isn't it?
Right. Yes.
See, observe two tests. One precondition, one post condition for every test. Login, search, logout, login, advanced search, logout. But in this first class, how many tests? 3 tests. Here precondition and post condition, not test level, class level. Class level. What is the execution flow? Login, Next, fund transfer, bill payments, prepaid recharge, log out. Okay na, Aarti?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For first class I used after class, before class methods, annotations. For first class I used before class, after class annotations. Next, second class I used before method, after method annotations. See, now we are executing multiple classes. Observe, here you can enter multiple classes, 2 classes. Run, see, run as, just a minute. TestNG suite. Observe. Total how many tests run? Aarti, how many?
5 test runs, sir.
In first class 3 tests, second class 2 tests na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Observe. Login, fund transfer, bill payments, prepaid recharge, log out. This is first class. Only class level precondition. Same precondition for all tests and post condition for all tests. Next, second class. For every test, login is precondition, logout is post condition. Just a minute. Login, search, logout. Next, login, advanced search, logout. See, this is about executing multiple classes. Executing multiple classes. Okay na?
Sir, can I ask you? Sir, can I ask you a question?
Hmm.
So when the test runs, it will run the class level first, right?
Not class level. Here first class na, that's why it executed. See in this file, observe, in this file we used first class ABCD1 na.
Okay. According to that. Okay.
According to that, not based on that annotations.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
See, next I will introduce one more annotation. Observe. Just a minute. Test. Before test. Before test. Next, after test. Multiple classes. Run as TestNG suite. Just a minute. In order to avoid the confusion, in second one, see source, add block comment. Run as TestNG suite. Observe Kamal, how many tests run?
5, sir.
5 tests. 3 tests from first class, 2 tests from second class. But I used test level, means multiple classes. Say test, single test level precondition, post condition. Next, class level precondition, post condition. Next, multiple classes level. Here I used single precondition. Login first, that is precondition, that is before test, means for group of classes. Next, fund transfer, bill payments, prepaid recharge from first test, first class. search advanced search from second class. Next, group level post condition. Find this one, Aarti.
Yeah,
Observe.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, what annotation I used? Before test
Before
annotation.
test?
Before test means, what is the before test annotation? It is precondition
Login
for
successful.
It is precondition for all
Login.
classes in this XML. Just a minute. See, simple thing. Suppose before method, case sensitive. Next, after method. This is before it executes, before every test case in a class. See, it executes before every test case in a class. Next, after method executes after every test case in a class. See, these are two annotations. Next, at the rate before class, at the rate after class. Tell me, Aarti. Executes
Before the precondition? No.
Executes before
whole class?
all tests.
All test cases in a class.
Yes, all test cases only once. Before all test cases in a class. Next, executes
After
all cases, not every case. After all test cases in a class. Next, at the rate before test, at the rate after test. Executes. Tell me, Kamal, executes before all test cases from all classes in XML file. Got this point? Executes before all test cases from all classes in XML. This one executes after all test cases from all classes, two or more, in XML file. Any confusion, Aarti?
No, now it's clear, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. See, first set, observe first set, Kamal. For every test case, in a class, we are not discussing about group of classes. This is only for particular class. Okay. Second one, all test cases in a class. It is also class, but it is for all cases. First one, only for every class, every test case. First one for every test case. Second one, all test cases in a class. Third one, all cases from all classes in a XML file. Suppose in our XML file, 3 classes are there, 10 tests are there. 3 classes, 10 tests. If you use before test, after test, this is one precondition for all 10 tests in 3 classes. Getting or not, Muhammad?
I got it now. Thank you.
See, any Aarti, what about you?
The last one, sir. The last one. I got lost. Sorry. The last one.
Last one is multiple classes level.
Okay.
See, observe. Here, I used before test now in the first class.
Yes, sir.
In the first class, 3 cases are there. In the second class, I didn't use any before test or after test now.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Then what is the precondition and post condition? Here in class 1, test level annotation is there now.
Yeah, yes, sir. Got that one. Yes.
It is for all classes.
Yes.
In the XML. Observe.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Say, in this first class, we have 3 cases. Second class, see, you just remove this one. Okay. Second class, we have 2 cases. Total 5 cases. This test level annotation for all 5 cases. Observe, log in once, log out once, middle. First 3 cases from first class, second 2 cases from second class. What is the confusion?
Now I got it, sir. Much clear. Yeah, better. Thank you.
Welcome. Kamal, shall we move to next topic? Getting this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say single test case level, class level, next multiple classes level. Multiple classes level. See, here we are executing multiple classes, or you can say multiple Java programs using this XML. See. XML file for executing multiple classes. Next, class 1. Next, class 2. You can copy and paste and execute. Class 2. See, next topic, grouping test cases. Grouping test cases. Observe, I'm going to create one XML file, new other TestNG, select TestNG class, see class name, grouping tests, group tests XML. XML file. See grouping tests. First create tests. See test, login. See, just I am using dummy tests in order to explain the concept. You can use real tests also. Login successful. Next. Just a minute. In that ABCD one. Say. Here I am going to use another annotation, one more annotation. Before groups. After groups. Say test 1, test 1, groups. See sanity. See next test. Sanity. Just a minute. sanity and regression. Next, groups, regression. Just a minute. Next, last one, regression. Observe here how many tests, Aarti? How many tests? See, first one before groups.
3, sir.
3. 1.
Yeah, 3 tests, right? Yes. And
2, 3,
and 3.
4.
And 4 last one. Sorry. Yeah, 4.
4. Here grouping. Suppose first test belongs to sanity test, sanity group. Second test in 2 groups. Second test is required for sanity and regression. Third test only regression. Fourth test only regression. See, first test only sanity. Second test sanity and regression for both groups. Third, fourth only for regression. Now I want to execute sanity tests. Observe sanity tests. Here you have to use one more tag, groups. Just a minute. Groups tag. Next, run. Groups run. Here include name. Name equal to sanity. Include name equal to sanity. Just groups tests. Run as precondition not executing. Just a minute. Modifications required. Groups equal to sanity. Okay, here observe in this class how many tests belongs to sanity, Aarti?
Sanity 1, 2, 3.
3.
Sorry, 1. Sorry, 1. Only 1.
Only 1. Only 1.
Only sanity I'm talking about.
Not only sanity. Second also belongs to sanity, na? Okay, that is also under regression. Okay, but part of sanity or not?
Yeah, it is part of sanity. Yes.
See, we can group test cases in multiple groups, isn't it?
Suppose, yeah, yes, sir.
Sometimes same test case required for sanity and regression we can use. We no need to create 2 times. See, now I am going to execute sanity tests. Just observe before groups login. Next sanity tests, fund transfer successful, set successful. Next log out. Next time I want to execute only regression. A regression. You can use hundreds of tests. Run group tests XML, right click, run as TestNG suite. Observe this time login. Next 3 regression tests. Earlier 2 sanity tests. This time 3 regression tests. 2 sanity tests previous example, 3 regression tests current example. Observe Aarti.
Yes, sir.
This search is common in both. This is about grouping tests. See first XML file. Just a minute. XML file. Next class file. See next concept, concentrate data driven testing. Data driven testing using data provider annotation. Using data provider annotation. Say for supporting Excel file, we need to install Excel jar file. You can download and install that Excel. You can download and download and add Excel jar file. See Excel jars third party files. So many third party jars available, but I downloaded JXL jar file. That is simple one. You try to download that JXL jar for communicating Excel files. See, in order to work with Excel files, third party jar files required. So many third party jar files available, but I used Excel JXL. See, observe selected one, Kamal. JXL jar file, JXL 2.6.jar.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of this jar file? JXL, third party provider. It is for supporting Excel files.
XML file.
Excel files. Excel, not XML.
Excel file, sorry.
Excel files. Getting the point, Aarti?
Yeah, yes, sir.
This JXL jar file I downloaded. You can download within 2 minutes, 1 minute. You can download JXL jar file and add to your build path. Simple file. Okay. After adding, you can communicate with Excel files. See, I'm taking the new test. New test means new class. Class name data driven. Concentrate. See first main method. Public first create Excel file. Suppose just one dummy test addition data driven. For that I am taking test data from external Excel file. Save as 2003 workbook. Input. Open the file. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40. Next 11, 21, 31, 41. Next 12, 22, 32, 42. See 4 rows. Concentrate. Public static void main. Observe Aarti. Earlier we didn't use main method na.
Yeah,
For TestNG classes, no main method required. They can execute directly. See, here also I will remove main method. First, general class I will prepare. Then I will use TestNG annotation data provider. See, string args. Open curly braces. Okay. Next, I think we used this file class. File f equal to new file class available in IO package. Provide the path of the external file. See, it supports /s only. Semicolon. import file class Java IO. Okay. Next, workbook object. Workbook of suppose W equal to, it is abstract class, workbook dot get workbook. Next, file. Here F is file. Add throws declaration. Next, create sheet object. Sheet, small sheet. Not only this one, you can use ABCD also. Otherwise, yes, equal to W dot get sheets. Say here data available in first sheet. Here index, we have to use index. Index starts from 0. If 3 sheets are there, first sheet index 0, second sheet 1, third sheet 2, like that. 0. Import sheet JXL. Okay. Next, just a dry run. Int rows equal to s dot, s is sheet object, get rows. Next, int columns equal to s dot get columns. If you want to display, you can display. See, columns. Run. Observe Arti displaying na rows and columns.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4 rows, 3 columns. Okay. Next, I want to read the data. I want to read the data. Just a minute. Create string. Concentrate, Kamal. String. Suppose string name input data. String array. String array. Observe. String array. Array required. 2-dimensional array. Equal to new string rows columns. Next, use nested looping for int I equal to 0, index 0, semicolon, I less than rows, semicolon, increment I plus plus. Next, for int j equal to 0, semicolon, j less than, Kamal, j less than
5.
Kamal, j less than
Uh, J is equal to 0. J less than columns, sir.
columns. Columns, good. Next, increment j plus plus. Next, read into that string input data before that create cell object, cell c equal to any meaningful name you can use, sheet dot, just a minute, get cells, sheet we used yes na, yes dot get cells, get cell. Here use first column, then row. Import cell jxl. Input data of I next j equal to cell we used c na, c dot get contents. If you want to print, you can print. Input data I j return input data. Okay, this is main method na, static. Just run. Reading na all values, Aarti, cell wise. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See. Then you can use that data. Okay, here I'm going to use data provider annotation. Observe data provider annotation. If you want to use a string array, we change the method. Public object public object, suppose read Excel, public object read Excel. Use return statement, return this input data. Okay, I created a object. See, if you want to access a string array, use method object. Next, I will provide one small test. Before this one, use an annotation, data provider. For example, I am taking name as test data. See, once you take the data into data provider, then you can use the data multiple times in this class. Multiple times. See, import data provider annotation. Next, create one class. Here, create one test. Data provider. It is attribute equal to test data. See this one. Next one, small test. Public void addition. See, we observe, Kamal, if you read data, that the data can be treated as string type data na. In VB script also we discussed na UFT.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here also same. String type data, we need to convert the data in order to perform mathematical calculations. Arti, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
A string. Suppose string A. Otherwise, okay, string val1. 3 values. See, observe. In this Excel, we have 3 columns, 3 fields. String val2, string val3. Next, we need to convert the data. Int a equal to integer integer dot type P parse int of val1. See, converting first value and storing into integer variable. Int b equal to val2. Next, int c val3. See, suppose on dummy test I want addition operation. Int a result equal to a plus b plus c. Run the program. See, four rows. Observe 10 plus 11 plus 12. First one 33, 63, 93, 123. Okay, na Arti? We are reading the data and using the data, na?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
See, this is about data provider annotation. Data provider. Just a minute. Okay, you take 10 minutes break. After the break, we will discuss one more important topic.